In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play Fortnite on PC with an Xbox controller. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you can see, I just connected my controller and I can change the inputs and start using my controller as I wish inside of Fortnite. I can change the menus, do everything, and even play the game completely using this controller connected to my PC. Now, Fortnite on PC has full Xbox controller support, so all you have to do is simply connect your controller however you wish. It's going to get automatically picked up by the game and detected ready for you to use. You will be able to set up any additional settings and configure it to your own liking over here at the settings menu in the controller options. Like I said, you can add it to your PC however you like, so either wired or through Bluetooth. You can go over to the control panel and access the devices and printer options over here, and as long as the controller is picked up like this one, it's going to get automatically added to Fortnite ready for you to use. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Fortnite with an Xbox controller on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.